right? The chromosomal sex determination, monogenic sex determination, and environmental sex determination. Chromosomal sex determination is also called heterogamesis అని చెప్పాను ఆల్రెడీ నేను క్లాస్లో. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం సార్ ఒక స్లైడ్. A chromosomal sex determination is called heterogamesis. Hetero means different. X and Y is so different. Here, in a diploid individuals, diploid means 2n condition. There are 2n minus 2. Jatinananda class. In a diploid individual, there are 2n minus means autosomes and 2 sex chromosomes. N condition. So, there are 3 types of chromosomal sex determination. The sex determination by the allosomes, diploid, haploid system of sex determination, genic balance system. Diploid means 2n condition, haploid means n condition. So, we study the chromosomal sex determination. Means we have studied the structure of sex chromosomes. The structure of sex chromosome means X and Y chromosomes exhibit structural difference. Structural difference. There is difference between X and Y chromosomes. How we can exhibit the structural? Suppose cytological study show that X chromosomes are longer than the Y chromosomes. X chromosomes of most organisms are straight, rod-like, and comparatively the longer than the Y chromosomes. So X chromosomes are very rod and Y larger than the Y chromosomes. So one Y chromosome, one end of the slightly curved, or but two sides are Drosophila. In Y chromosome, very lightly curved like structure in Drosophila melanogaster. But in human beings, they are only a short like chromosome, a rod like and straight chromosomes. Next, when X chromosomes are having a large amount of euchromatin and a small amount of heterochromatin. Or what is a euchromatin and what is a heterochromatin? So chromatin. Chromatin means the DNA, RNA, stones and non-stone proteins containing thread-like structures. Thread-like structures, coil-like structure of interface nucleus is called a chromatin. Chromatin. రాసుకున్న అందరూ chromatin, DNA, RNA, stones, non-stones, proteins containing thread-like structures of interphase nucleus is called chromatin. So chromatins are again two types, euchromatin and heterochromatin. So euchromatin means non-condensed during interphase. Heterochromatids are condensed chromatins. So euchromatins are non-condensed during interphase. Heterochromatids are condensed chromatins. So X chromosomes are having larger amount of euchromatin and smaller amount of heterochromatin, whereas so euchromatin is nothing but the amount of DNA. Euchromatin means the large amount of DNA. అందుకే euchromatin means so X chromosomes having a large amount of euchromatin and a small amount of heterochromatin, whereas Y chromosomes are having large amount of heterochromatin and small amount of euchromatin. చాలా important point ఇది. Write down X chromosomes having a large amount of euchromatin. Euchromatin is nothing but amount of DNA. Bracket లో రాసుకోండి amount of DNA. So large amount of DNA used for the genetic information. Genetic information. నాకు ఇద్దరే కనపడుతున్నారు, అలేఖ్యరాజును అనిల్ సాయి. అనువే కనపడట్లేదు, ధరణి కనపడట్లేదు, సత్యవాణి, దివ్య ఎవరు కనపట్లే. రాసారా? ఓకే, చాట్ బాక్స్లో కొట్టండి వై అయితే వై, నో అయితే నో. So X chromosomes having large amount of euchromatin and small amount of heterochromatin, whereas Y chromosomes having large amount of heterochromatin and small amount of euchromatin. Okay. Yes, we move to the another slide. See here. Okay, Alekiraz, Y. See here, చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్ ఇక్కడ మనం మెయిన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ చూద్దాం. We have two types. One is the homogamic, another one is the heterogamic. So homogamic means the female is called homogamic. Why? Because males are having X and Y, females are XX. మర్చిపోకండి అందరూ. Females are XX, males are XY. So we have two types. Homogamy. Homo means same. Hetero means different. So here the female is called homogamic sex because only one type of gamete means X is produced. And the females are having XX, males are having XY. Here heterogamic. The male is called heterogamic because two different gametes. What are the two different gametes? X and Y are produced. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రాసుకోండి అందరూ. Homogamic and heterogamic. Homogamic means the females are homogamic. Heterogamics are males are heterogamics. Y males are having X and Y chromosomes. Homogamics are females are having X chromosome. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. అయితే వస్ అయితే ఎస్ టైప్. Homogametes are males, heterogametes are males. Sorry, heterogametes are males, homogametes are females. Homogametes are females. Why? Because they are having two X chromosomes. Here, heterogametes are X and Y. They are different. Heterogametic. Gametogenesis means the process by which cell undergo meiosis is called a gametogenesis. Very important point. Gametogenesis. The process by which cell undergo meiosis is called gametogenesis. అందుకే homogamic, heterogamic. So gametogenesis means the process by which cell undergo meiosis is called gametogenesis. So homogamic are the females are homogamic, males are heterogamic. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రెండు. 5 మార్క్స్ 10 మార్క్స్ సార్ కంపల్సరీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. సి హియర్ ద ఫిమేల్ సెక్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. చూడండి ఒకసారి అందరూ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడండి, కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ పెట్టండి, అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి. The female sex has two X chromosomes. అలాగే తర్వాత రాసుకోవచ్చు చూడు ఒకసారి. The male sex has only one X chromosomes. చాలా కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ. The female sex has two XX. Male sex has only one X. Why? Because we have another chromosome of Y. Here we need one Y chromosomes. So because males lack one X chromosomes here. Here see, males are XY, females are XX chromosomes. That is the fundamental duty. Males are having X1 Y chromosomes, females are having XX chromosome. That's why female sex has two X chromosomes, male sex has only one X chromosome because females lack X chromosomes. Write down. Ryan, screenshot is Ryan. Make it fast. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. Unmute చేసి నాతో మాట్లాడండి. Gametogenesis means the process by which cell undergo meiosis is called gametogenesis. Cell undergo by which meiosis. ఎస్ అయితే ఎస్ కొట్టండి. అనూహ్య అందుకే ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్ ఏ రెడ్ సింబల్స్. Females I'm using a color, red color. Males also a red color. Two X chromosomes, only one X chromosome. Males lack X chromosomes. హెడ్డింగ్ ఎట్టండి, హెట్రోగామెటిక్ మేల్స్ అని హెడ్డింగ్ ఎట్టండి, అండర్లైన్ హెట్రోగామెటిక్ మేల్స్ అని రాయండి. దీంట్లో లేదు మీ పవర్ పాయింట్లో. హెట్రోగామెటిక్ మేల్స్ అండర్లైన్ చేసి ఫిమేల్ సెక్స్ హ్యాస్ 2 X chromosomes. Female sex has 2 X chromosome. Next line, male sex has only 1 X chromosome. Male sex has only X chromosomes because males lack X chromosome. X chromosome, put it in inverted quotations. Because males lack X chromosomes. Next line, during the gametogenesis, produce 2 gametes. During the gametogenesis, produce 2 gametes. Next line, 50% gametes carrying X chromosomes. 50% gametes carry X chromosomes and 50% gametes lack X chromosomes. Again, I am repeating you, 50% gametes carry X chromosomes and 50% gametes lack X chromosome. Full stop. Continuation. Which produce 2 different types of gametes. అంటే అప్పుడు ఏం చెప్పాలి, ఏమనాలి అప్పుడు ఆ వర్డ్ ఏం చేయాలి అలేఖరాజ్? which produce 2 different types of gametes. We can call it, what we call it? No.
Heterogametic.
Heterogamete. Good. Heterogamete. Underline. Female sex produce, underline, next line lo rayandi, female sex produce similar gametes. You can call it anyone in the homogametic. Underline, homogametic. Right. Okay. Moving to the next slide. Okay. See here. The XY. చాలా important 5 marks question. Listen carefully. X, Y. XX are homogametic. XX are females. Coming to here, X, Y, they are different. They are heterogametic. X and Y, they are male. Female, these
Sir,
are...
Sir,
Okay. These are
slide
male.
మారదు sir.
XY, they are called male. XX are female. XX are female. XY are male. Okay. డౌట్ అంటే వెంటనే మాట్లాడండి, అందుకే అర్థం చేసుకోండి. XY దే ఆర్ సేమ్, దే ఆర్ హోమోగామెటిక్. X and Y దే ఆర్ డిఫరెంట్, దే ఆర్ హెట్రోగామెటిక్. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్, జాగ్రత్తగా వినాలి అందరూ. సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద gametes here putting X? only X, NX, only X chromosome. Here you are getting X and Y. See here. Again, I'm crossing a gametogenesis by processing meiosis to produce the gametes. What type of gametes we're producing here? See here, XX. Again, we are getting XX. XX means the females, XY, they're males. Example, చాలా important. Examples are man. రాసుకోండి అందరూ. Examples are man, Drosophila, insects, cannabis, salix. And examples for this. This is a type of we see in the mammals and also man. We can see in cannabis, salix. These are examples. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రాసుకోండి ఇది. ఈ డయాగ్రామ్ వేయండి. Salix, cannabis, man, mammals, Drosophila, insect. రేపడుతాడు examples of XXY combinations. ఎన్ని రాసుకోవాలి ఇక్కడ. అగైన్ XX they are called females, XY they are males. These are gametes. This is a ovum, ova. This is a ova. These are the sperms. Here again you are going to undergo the fertilization. Then we'll getting the XX. XX